Hello guys, what is up? It's your boy Mounty and welcome back to another YouTube video. So for today's video, I thought it'd be a great idea to do a, what am I doing again? Oh yeah, I tried to follow makeup tutorial. It was pretty popular a couple months ago, but not a lot of people are doing it anymore. And since I just started YouTube, I thought it'd be a great idea to try it out for myself. So if you want to know whose makeup tutorial I do, keep on watching.
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you. And you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want.
Alright guys, so for today's video, I am going to be doing I try to follow TROYE SIVAN's no makeup look. He did a makeup tutorial, I guess, with Vogue several months ago, and I'm gonna try redoing it because I like no makeup kind of look. Like, I want to make sure it looks like all natural and like I don't have a bunch of stuff on my face. So if you want to see how this turns out, let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start playing the video, which I'll try to put somewhere at the bottom of this video. But yeah, let's get started.
Your own makeup, you gotta moisturize. I use just like a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. So I use their like cleanser, their moisturizing lotion.
Alright, so the first thing he starts off with is a moisturizer. So for moisturizer today, I will be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I really like this one. I have really dry skin, so this has been amazing for me. I use it every morning whenever I'm getting ready for work, or whenever I get home. It works a really good night mask. So as you can see, I'm almost gone. Alright, I'm gonna put this right here, hopefully. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna put this on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my nose, of course. Because my nose gets really dry, which is the one thing like I don't like. On my cheek, on my chin. I think for guys in general, like, my chin gets really nose, but I think for guys in general, like, they tend to get really dry. Alright, so now that we're doing priming, let's see what he does for his next
I have
routine.
curly hair. Every time I wet my hair, it's a whole big mission to get it to dry the way that I want it to dry. So what I do...
So he does something with his hair, but, I mean, I don't have curly hair, so, I mean, just spray water on it. Alright, so it looks like next he's gonna do a concealer.
This one. So I'll put like the tiniest little drop under my eyes, and then like maybe 2 drops there. And then if I have any like pimples or anything, I'll cover them up too. And then sometimes I do like
he's gonna cover up some pimples. So let's go ahead and do that right now while we wait. So for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Bye Bye Under Eye It Cosmetic Concealer. And he puts it a little bit. And he uses Figure to Blood. Okay. So he had a little there. A little there. He puts some right here because he has a birthmark. And then he said he covers up any pimples. I have a lot, so this might take a while. Okay. I feel like that's enough. So I did that. Let's see what comes next.
That hurts. So why would you do that? I do tap on pimples though. I, out of boredom on tour, watch a lot of cooking videos, and I don't cook, and makeup videos, and I don't do makeup. But I don't know, I just find them super relaxing, so that's what I've learned with my little...
Okay, he just goes like this, I guess. Okay, so he just... Okay. He says he just does this. should be really fun. I feel like this doesn't blend well without foundation. He just smooths it in, but I mean... Okay, and then I'm gonna pat these ones. Oh my god. I am not excited for how this comes out. I will be 100% honest with you. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I forgot by my nose, because he has the same issue I have, where I get really red around my nose area, and especially right now, because it's allergy season over here in California. Yeah. Alright. I guess this is... Okay, let's keep on watching. Hopefully he adds a little bit more to his look. Okay. This is gonna turn out pretty interesting, guys. Pretty interesting. So next step, he is going to go with bronzer, okay?
Get a little bronzed. I'm into it. Take a big fluffy brush.
Okay.
Put it in. And everything I do, I want it to look like super chill, hopefully. Like I don't want to look crazy at the end. So just like very lightly dip. And then I'm not trying to like...
okay, sounds good. Okay, so he is going to take a big fluffy brush. This is one by Morphe. It doesn't have a name on it. I don't have a code, so this should be fun. And then I'm also using the Morphe Highlight Contour Palette, 8L. I just bought this one. It's been really, really good to me. Alright. So he said he likes to look tan. I'm already tan, so I'm gonna go in with the color Donut. Ooh! Right here. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face, I guess. Oh, tapping the excess. Alright. Because he likes to look more tan. And I'm gonna get my neck too, because you always want to make sure they are the same toned. Alright, I mean, I guess I still feel like I look the same. Alright, so let's get it. Keep on watching, see what he
You have to get
next.
your neck, otherwise you look like you're wearing bronzer. And then also I see people do this, so I do that. Up in your hairline and stuff.
Get the neck.
You can kind of see I'm getting a little bit less shiny. Okay. Uh-oh. Little brush hair. I get these like brush hairs on my face, and I'm never sure if it's like my dog's hair on my face or...
Okay, so he's doing his eyebrows
Point,
next.
but then they kind of taper off. So I'm gonna use this little MAC eyebrow pencil. So you just wanna do little tiny like hair motions and then...
Oh, okay, so he is gonna go ahead and do his eyebrows next. For eyebrows, I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Granite. And pretty much what he does is just the edge, the tail. So, oh, no, I'm gonna do the front. Alright, oh my god, do me like this. Fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and use this mirror real quick so I can see. But he's literally just doing tiny hair strokes at the edge. So this should be, it looks the same to me. I mean, it kind of makes sense, so you can not have any bald patches, because I do have bald patches here, and like at the beginning, I'm not sure if everyone does, but I don't know how I do. But you have bald patches here and then on here, so for some weird reason, I do. So I guess this would be great. I'm used to like really filling in my brows, because I want to make sure they look nice. What are we thinking? Do I look the same or do I look the same? Right, and then it looks like he's going to go in with some setting spray now.
Smell review by TROYE SIVAN.
I'm looking.
It's like a little bit like sour almost.
Alright, he's going in with
but
the
it works.
Tarte one. I don't have Tarte, so I'll go ahead and be using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Yes. Oh, I forgot how gross it smells. Alright, so after he does that, let's see what he does next and his next routine.
But I'm obsessed with having moisturized lips. It's just like classic, standard.
Moisturized lips, alright. So lip balm.
I'm obsessed with having moisturized lips. It's just like classic, standard, and lasts for a few hours.
Alright, so for lip balm, I'm gonna go ahead and use the, oh, I don't know what this is called, to be honest with you. It's this one. I like it a lot. This is like my third one. Yeah. Right here. Yes. Alright. Oh. K-Voss. K-Voss. It's K-Voss. It has a heart, so I don't know if it was Heart Voss, but it's K-Voss Macaroon Lip Balm. Works really good. Definitely recommend. And it smells so good. Alright. So next in his makeup tutorial, let's see what he does.
Last step. This is like very, very new to me, but I'm gonna try and give my cheeks a little bit of color. Sometimes I just get bored and end up like
he's gonna
doing
color
stuff
to
that
his
I've never done
cheeks.
before.
So he is using a blush, a
Roll
roll-on
on your
blush.
hand and then just kind of like take your fingers, give yourself a little rosy cheek. Just because today's a special day. This cheek is rosier than this cheek. Let me use this.
Okay. Alright, so I guess he's doing blush. So for blush today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Party blush. Yeah. He just uses his fingers. I don't know if I should or use a brush. I'm going to go ahead and use a brush. I'm going to use the same brush over again, because he has this one findy dandy brush. And tap off the extras. I don't really wear blush, but I mean, alright, so, oh. Ta-da! Damn, he really does not work. Okay, so I guess that's it for today's video. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and honestly, I look exactly the same with the exception of this middle part. It is a lot more brightening. I'm already tan, so the contour, I don't know, just looks the same to me. My eyebrows, I would love for them to be more filled in, because I like filling in my eyebrows. Alright, so, alright guys, let me know what was your favorite part of the video, because, I mean, I love TROYE SIVAN's music. He has really good music. Let me know which is your favorite song from his. But anyways, that concludes this whole video. Let me know how you think I did. Yeah, so as always, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Share this video if you really like it. And you can follow me on my socials. It's going to be at Mowdy Sale on Instagram, and then it's going to be It's Mowio on Snapchat. So I'll put them here somewhere. So it's always have a good day, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
It's not right for you. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want.